everybody, it's Dr. Smith, and this handsome fellow over here is Frankie. And Frankie today is going to help me teach you how to brush your dog's teeth. So, Frankie's pearly whites right here mostly look pretty good, but he's starting to get a little bit of tartar on those back teeth. You can see it right up here along his gum line. A lot of times his back teeth tend to be the most affected, so that's where you want to look for dental disease. So once you start to get that tartar, only a professional cleaning with a scaler is going to get that off, but in the meantime, brushing his teeth will help prevent the progression of it and keep it from getting worse. So there's a couple of things that you're going to need to brush his teeth, particularly toothpaste. You want to get a dog-specific toothpaste or cat, and so that it's safe for them to swallow, and it's flavored so that they'll like it more. And then you have a couple of different options for brushes. For most dogs, I like the finger brushes, either this one which has the actual little brush on the bottom, or you have these ones that are like little thin plastic thimbles with bristles on them. For bigger dogs, you may need the actual brush. So when you start teaching them to have their teeth brushed, you need to get them acclimated to it first. So usually what I'll start is by having them taste the toothpaste. You want to do this around the same time every day. If they don't eat it right away, you can put a little sometimes on their nose, and then they'll have to lick it off so that they get the flavor of it. And then they'll learn that it's yummy and that they can lick it. And then once they get used to the flavor of the toothpaste, then you can start going inside their mouth. So the next step is to take the toothpaste on your finger and put your finger, oh, Frankie, behave. Put your finger in his mouth, but you don't have to brush, just get them used to having their mouth touched and manipulated. And you're going to do that again around the same time every day to make it a routine, and do that for a week or two until they really get used to having fingers in their mouth and that they are accepting of it. After you do that, give them a little treat or some sort of reward as positive reinforcement. And then once they are comfortable with that, then you can go to the actual brushing. So you'll take the finger brush and some toothpaste, and you're going to lift the lip up on each side. You really only need to do the outsides of the teeth. You don't need to worry too much about the insides, and again, you want to concentrate right up along the gum line here. So, come around over here. We have, lift his gum up, and we're going to take the finger brush, and you're just going to rub gently along the gum line on the top, and then again along the gum line on the bottom. And then the other side. It'll take about 30 seconds each time. You want to do this, you want to aim for doing this daily, because the tartar plaque takes about 24 hours to turn into tartar, and once it's tartar, it won't come off. So you want to brush them, aim for brushing every day. And then once he's done, again, give him some sort of little reward, little treat, which he probably won't eat, but your dog hopefully will. Nope, he doesn't want it. He's a little picky.
Good boy, Frankie.
He's a picky little man, but he's a good one. And that's it. That's how you brush your dog's teeth.